Hello, parents. I'm Rose Martino, the proud principal of Roye-Williams Elementary School.
And I'm Stephanie Harris, assistant principal of Roye-Williams Elementary School.
So, we wanted to give you some information for this upcoming week and the start of the school year. So, we have our combined open house back to school night this Thursday, August 28th. We're doing it a little bit different this year. We have families with the last name A through L. We will have that from 3 to 4 o'clock. And then for families with last names M through Z, we'll have that 4:30 to 5:30. Please know that the teachers will be having a grade-specific presentation on the half an hour. That means that the teachers will start their first presentation at 3, their next presentation at 3:30, and so on. You want to make sure that you're in the classroom at the start of that presentation so that you're not missing any important information, because that teacher will be delivering information that you need to know for that grade level. Also, at this evening, we encourage you to stop into our cafeteria. We're going to have our community partners as well as school information tables set up in there. Some of our community partners that are going to be here is a Cub Scout pack, Boys and Girls Club, Epicenter, and Thrive. And then we're also going to have school information tables set up. It'll be our school nurse. We have a Black Eyed Susan book club, and then we also have a Voices for All, and it'll just give you information on each of those. So we look forward to seeing you stop by the cafeteria on your way out on the back to school open house evening.
We also want to let you know that we are continuing our practice of ensuring students have safe and accurate transportation. So please help us in following this practice by having students utilize their consistent mode of transportation that they will be using all throughout the year, including on the first day of school. This will help us make sure that students are able to be dismissed with the accurate information and everyone gets home safely. Also, please know that we have all of the information necessary on the school bus locator part of hcps.org. This will let you know your bus route, your bus number, and your bus stop if you still do not have that information. We also want to ask that if your student rides a bus normally, please have that student ride the bus the first day of school also, as they will be used to that process and know what bus to get on and off of every day. We are asking this year that there be no transportation dismissal changes after 3 o'clock p.m., as sometimes that can cause some confusion, and we want to make sure that teachers and students know exactly where their children need to be placed as they go home. Also, please try to limit as much as possible transportation changes throughout the year to also ensure those safe practices. We want to thank you so much for coming to our back to school night. We can't wait to see all of you there, and we are looking forward to an amazing school year.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.